What happens to your body if you cycle every day? Cycling is one of the best aerobic workouts for people of all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, hopping on a bike daily can bring amazing benefits to your body and mind. In this video, we'll explore exactly what happens to your body if you cycle every day. Stick around until the end. It's going to be interesting. 1. Stronger muscles, especially in the lower body. Cycling mainly engages the entire lower body without putting excessive stress on your joints. This makes it an excellent low-impact workout that strengthens key muscle groups. With regular cycling, you'll notice increased strength in your quadriceps, hamstrings, the back of your thighs, calves, and glutes, your buttocks. But that's not all. Your core also plays a vital role. To maintain proper posture on the bike, your abdominal and lower back muscles must remain active throughout the ride. As a result, you'll develop a stronger core, which contributes to better balance, posture, and overall body control. 2. Improved cardiovascular health. One of the most profound benefits of cycling daily is the improvement in cardiovascular health. When you cycle, your heart rate increases, your lungs work harder, and your blood vessels become more efficient. This boosts circulation and trains your heart muscle to become stronger and more efficient over time. Cycling has also been shown to increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, while lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. This contributes to a reduced risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Moreover, regular cardiovascular activity like cycling helps your heart function more efficiently, minimizing wear and tear and extending its longevity. 3. Boosted lung function. Cycling, especially when done for at least an hour, significantly improves lung capacity. This is because cycling forces your lungs to work harder than they do during normal daily activities. As a result, your lungs become better at taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. This forced ventilation helps to cleanse your lungs of pollutants and toxins, especially helpful if you live in a city. To maximize this benefit, try to ride along paths surrounded by nature and avoid busy, traffic-heavy roads whenever possible. 4. Fat loss and increased metabolism. If you're looking to lose fat or manage your weight, daily cycling can be a powerful ally. 1 hour of moderate cycling can burn approximately 500 kilocalories, which equates to roughly 55 grams of fat. Over the course of a month, that adds up to around 1.6 kilograms, or 1,600 grams, of fat lost, without needing to drastically change your diet. Moreover, cycling builds muscle, which in turn speeds up your metabolism. This means your body burns more calories even when you're not working out. The result? A leaner, fitter you. 5. Mental health benefits. Cycling isn't just good for the body, it's a fantastic mood booster as well. It reduces symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression thanks to the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Even just 10 minutes of cycling can elevate your mood and clear your mind. Riding also demands a level of concentration, keeping an eye on traffic, terrain, and direction, which helps distract your brain from negative thoughts. This makes cycling a form of active meditation, giving your mind a much-needed reset. 6. Improved brain function and creativity. Cycling increases blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, especially to the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory and learning. This improved circulation helps create new brain cells and maintain existing ones. Many creative professionals, including authors, artists, and executives, use cycling as a tool to stimulate creative thinking. The mental clarity and focus you get after a ride can make you more productive and imaginative. In short, cycling every day has the potential to completely transform your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. From stronger muscles and a healthier heart to better mood and glowing skin, the benefits are simply too good to ignore. So what are you waiting for? Pump up those tires, hop on your bike, and start reaping the amazing rewards of daily cycling. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions or personal experiences with cycling? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health, fitness, and lifestyle content. See you in the next video.